Here's a new 2019 Cadillac CT6 sedan. Whether you're driving or being driven, you'll relish the experience of this prestige car in a class all its own. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Power heated mirrors. Hands-free liftgate. Twin-turbo V6 engine. Magnetic fluid-filled shocks. Streaming audio. Dual-zone climate control. All-wheel steering, automatic parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.